Hey, what is up, YouTube? So today, I'm actually heading up to Elyria. We got quite a bit of rain all across Ohio yesterday, and turns out I haven't been up to that place in a while, so I'm gonna go check that out. The weather seems kind of contradictory. I've actually looked at a few different sites, and it will either be snowing, foggy, or cloudy. I don't think I've ever wished for cloudy before, but that's where we're at with this. I could probably work with snowy too, but anyway, I'm gonna head up there. We may not stay there, may end up somewhere else, but that's where we're gonna head first. All right, so we made it here. Predictably, the water is higher than I've seen in the past. Kind of concerns me. Hopefully the trail is not underwater. But yeah, so good news is that the weather is mostly cloudy. The snow literally just started sprinkling down a little, but I think it's going to hold off for the most part, but we'll see. Yeah, so I'm gonna hike out here and check out this waterfall. Alright, well, the mist is coming off that thing pretty heavily, so I would say that getting shots with my camera are going to be slim to none. So I am back a little ways away from it. I'm going to have to apply for to unlock the zone because I'm currently in an authorization zone to fly my drone. So I'm going to do that, and as long as it gets accepted, we're going to fly, and if not, well, I'm going to have to try to get pretty creative to make the camera work. So yeah, we'll see. All right, sweet. So it was accepted, so we are going to toss the drone up in the air and see what we can make. got a little too close to the waterfall apparently. Messed around and got the lens on the drone a little wet, so had to bring her in because, well, let's face it, there wasn't going to be any more clear shots after that. So still pretty happy. I think what we got was pretty good, so definitely not upset about that. Glad we applied to unlock the zone. I tried getting some shots of the waterfall with my camera, but like, I mean, instantly within walking up to the waterfall and popping my camera out, it was already soaked. It was just, there was too much mist coming off that to be able to have the camera out and get the shots. So, oh well. But yeah, that's going to be it for today. I think I'm going to head back home, and actually I'm going to go over to Ben's and watch this Chiefs-Bengals game, and hopefully the Bengals pull one out. But yeah, that's going to be it. So I will see you guys. And yes, I know I'm ending that with "Let's go Bengals" when I'm rocking the Bears cap, but you know, the Bears are already out of the playoffs, and I tend to root for both teams, so today we're rocking the Bengals heavy. Alright, so that is going to be it for this video. I do hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you like it. Comment down below, tell me what you thought. If you can, share it. Subscribe if you're not already, of course. And I will see you guys in the next video. See ya.